Welcome to another episode of nachotv as we sail on a 5-day Mexican Riviera cruise. Upon arriving to the cruise terminal and checking in, they passed out these special Carnival's 50th anniversary lanyards, perfect for holding our room keys during a cruise. Once we got to the room, our stateroom attendant passed out these 50th pins as well. Let's get the party started!
Oh my gosh.
Guy's Burger Joint had their buns imprinted with the 50th logo. Well, most of the burgers. There are 5 different burgers on the menu: the Plain Jane, Straight Up, Pig Patty, Chilius Maximus, and my favorite, the Ringer. 50th. And on the first night after dinner, we had a little 50th anniversary logo with our dessert. They also had some cool 50th themed merchandise, ranging from collector coin sets, keychains, magnets, shot glasses, and this really cool dancing musical hat.
I think it's backwards. It's the other way. The red in the front, I think. Oh my gosh.
I think I'm not.
Oh my gosh.
They had a throwback night for dinner of some of their classic menu items.
Picture of was
Got
the slot.
again.
Pumpkin soup. Magic.
Some desserts after a great meal. Oh my. Babalu cake. Ooh, and then a classic melting chocolate cake.
Isn't that lovely?
Next big special event we had on this cruise was the ship Meetup. We had the Carnival Panorama meet us up at Ensenada. Carnival's sister ship, the Panorama, almost there. Meanwhile, back on the Lido deck, launched in 2019 at a length of 1,055 feet, the Carnival Panorama is part of Carnival's Vista class ship with 15 decks to explore.
See you hop in.
closing count for the third time.
That would be great if they could do it. Change the tones, everything.
You can't see us moving.
And the fun ship meetup comes to a close as we sail away to our next port, Cabo San Lucas.